Well, if you all wanted to know, this is it. This is what you get. 10,000 mile oil changes using synthetic oil. You guys pretty much can say that this is probably one of the cleanest engines you've seen with this mileage. Look at that. Ain't that sweet? That is completely cool. You can't get any better than that. And look at the lobes. Granted, we got a little bit of wear, but you know what? With that many miles, you'd expect a little bit. But that is what you get. That is what you get out of it. So folks, if you wondered, now you don't have to wonder anymore. This is what you get out of the thing. I was expecting something. I wasn't expecting a completely clean engine. Yeah. If you guys are, this is just a testament to why you don't use synthetic blend oil or conventional oil, folks. 242,000 miles. And this is what you end up with. Just so you know. This is what you get. So, I don't know what to say. I think the proof is in the pudding, as they say. So, anyway, I got a little bit more work to go. I just wanted to show you all what this is like and what you can expect if you maintain your engine. And yes, frequent oil changes, right? Except I go 10,000 miles. So riddle me this. Those of you who change your oil every 3,000 miles, how come I can do 10,000 miles and have an engine look like this? Makes you think, don't it? Makes you think.